Ayo, this is Gavin, and this is a tutorial on how to tune your stabilizers. Recently, I have posted a video about my rattling stock GK68 spacebar. Even though I already tuned all of the stock stabilizers, it still sounded awful. So I decided to invest on a brand new set of stabilizers. I chose the Gatorn plate mount stabilizers, and it cost me around 109k rupiah, and I bought them from Mechelen at Tokopedia. The things I use for this experiment are a scissor, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and also a brush. First thing first, remove the keycaps with the keycap puller. And remove the switch with the switch puller. Now we are going to remove the stabilizers by using the tip of our brush. To do it, just tap the lever on the stabilizers and it should come off pretty easily. Now we are going to clip the stabilizer legs. Just make sure the surface of the stabilizer is flat, like this after clipping. After clipping the stabilizers, I use Krytox 125G0 to loop the housing and stem. To loop the housing and stem, I took a generous amount of lube and spread them evenly, like this. For the wires, I'm just going to take the wires and dip it in Permatex dielectric grease and it should be okay, just like this. For the band aid mode, just put some band aid on the stabilizer slot on your PCB. And it should look like this.